Hello, everyone. So the hotel meeting planners put together this healthy luncheon, so enjoy. Now, turning the meeting over to our boss, Mr. Diego.
Thank you, Dale.
You're welcome.
Now, as you all know, we will be merging with Essen Vacuum Cleaners later this... Ladies, please. As we go forth with this merger, we're going to have to make some tough decisions. Gentlemen, stop!
But it's meeting food.
Yeah, and we're meeting.
Mallets down. Let's just move on. Mr. Simpson will go over our new hierarchy.
With the merger, some of your divisions will have redundancies. The people being let go are Scottsbury, Farnham, Berkel?
No, we can't hear you.
Who did you say?
What?
A little louder, please.
Earl?
And they should all clean out their desks by the end of the day.
Why couldn't we get something quieter, like a tray of sandwiches or something? A sandwich? That's quiet, like an old lady's apartment.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry. They just said it was healthy, it promotes energy and all that.